Hey guys, Xander here. I've been making YouTube videos about my trading and investing for a little over a year now, and I've been running a Discord server for close to that amount of time as well. And over that time, one of the topics that's consistently uh, gotten the most attention and interest has been zero DTE trading, 0 days till expiration, trading options that expire on the same day. So I'm not here to tell you to do it or not to do it, but I am here to share my personal experience as to why I don't do it anymore generally, and if you're going to do it, how you might. So let's dive right in. First of all, if you're going to do it, take a look at this study here. You can Google it, spintwig.com. They did a back test of zero DTE trades. And roughly speaking, the higher delta trades beat the market and the lower deltas, like 5, 10, 16, don't. So you might want to think about that. Also, if you're going to trade this strategy, you might want to think about being comfortable taking assignment and selling naked puts, being comfortable taking assignment or rolling. All of this, in my experience and in this theory, has been more conducive to success. Now, okay, enough of the theory, and let's go to my personal results. Um, as you can see, my account is still up a lot since I started. So, although that's the case, it would have been up even more if I hadn't been using this strategy. You can even see that here. My year-to-date time weighted return over 20%, but it would have been 24 this year if it hadn't been for the strategy. 2020, even bigger difference, you know? So why is that? Well, to answer that question, why did it not succeed? I went through every single zero DTE trade I've ever done in my career, essentially, as a trader, and analyzed it in great detail. So let's take a look. There are a lot of small wins, which is to be expected. Typically, when people do this strategy, they're selling um, very low delta out of the money credit spreads. So there are a lot of small wins, but there's that one big loss sooner or later. For me, it was in May after starting this in January. There's that one big loss that wipes everything out. Look, May 27th, I lost $1,500 in 15 minutes. Uh, I was trying to hedge around with futures too, but that's painful. That's unsustainable. You can only do that so many times before you're just down too much to ever recover. Uh, for me, it was only another month before that happened again. In July, I lost another $1,000 in one day. So, although there were a lot of small wins, that did not add up to a profit by the end of the year. No, it was a $1,300 loss in 2020. And I tried a little bit in 2021, even made some videos about it, but still ended up losing $200 before I just called it quits and decided not to use the strategy again. That being said, I realize if you're watching this video, you're probably going to do it. So um, I would just say try to do this in an account that's big enough that you're comfortable taking assignment or rolling, or do it when you actually want to take assignment. Um, Maybe think about taking the other side of the trade sometimes. I very rarely see people buying zero DTE options, but just as a pot shot lottery ticket, hey, it might be worth it. Might be worth thinking about. I guess this might not really be any of my business to tell anyone about, but just my personal experience has been if you're interested in the markets, the economy, finance, trading, investing, this for me has not been the most interesting way to trade. Um, I don't feel like it really was teaching me anything about the big picture. It felt more like gambling to me than anything else. And I was also missing out on overnight moves and big picture gains. It's very frustrating to see the markets rally 5% in one day, bottom of the market in March 2020, and you made $20 from a zero DTE scalp. Doesn't seem like it correlates enough with the big picture to capture all those gains. I guess also on a personal note, it was just taking way too much time and energy and attention from other things that I feel like I should have been doing in my life. The risk, the work, as far as the reward, if there is any, just wasn't worth it. So that's been my personal experience. Then again, I realize it's a popular strategy and a controversial one, so your feedback's always welcome. The Discord server's open, it's free. Follow my trades there. Converse. Hope to hear from you. Good luck with your trading, guys. Peace out.